on how to get the Beninese citizenship by recognition as an Afro descendant. The primary or the main ministry in charge of this citizenship by recognition is the Ministry of Justice, that is the judiciary in the Republic of Benin. So you need, even if you are applying yourself or you are applying to us, you need serious legal guidance. Yes, it is very, very important that you get legal guidance based on the realities of the Republic of Benin to make sure that you get your documentation the best way to get it approved here in the Republic of Benin. So during your consultation, we give you legal advice, guide you through the legal advices you need until you get your documents together to apply. You can call or get meeting or Zoom call or video call or voice call with us as many times as you have questions. Even exchange email messages as many times as you can until you are ready, you have your document together and apply for this citizenship. The second thing you will get during this consultation call is our expert advice. Just as I introduce myself to you, I am in charge of giving you expert advice on how to best go about your application process or your preparation process until you put up your application for the citizenship by recognition. I'm in charge of those who speak English. That is why I'm making this webinar in English for those who are English speakers. So during the consultation service, I will personally be in charge giving you expert advice on how to best go about your application. So the legal advice and the expert advice during our consultation call with you. The next and very, very important thing other than the legal and the expert advice is we study your document and give you review if you are applying yourself. When you are ready and you have put your application together, we study your application and give you a feedback on how to package it to be able to submit it yourself. So that is part of the service that we give you as part of the consultation. Finally, we recommend approved DNA agency that can help you get your African ancestry DNA test. This consultation call lasts for as long as you are in the process of getting your application up. Yes, when you are looking for your documents, we keep on following up. So we guide you throughout that process, whether it took you 30 days to get your application processes ready or 24 months to get it up. So we follow you and guide you throughout your process. During the consultation call, we also give you specific legal and advice that is mainly for you based on your specific circumstances. So it is more personalized than it is generally. But this application process is not free, but it is not pocket steering. So the link to book that consultation call is right in the description and in the first comment of this webinar video. Go through it and read more about it. If you still want to talk to me personally, the WhatsApp number is right there in the description. Give me a WhatsApp call, a WhatsApp video call, a WhatsApp voice call, after which we can book your consultation call with us. If other people ask me if they are using our service, do they still have to pay for this consultation or do they still have to pay for this consultation call? Yes, you will still have to get this consultation call because it is your first step into getting your applications up. So whether you are doing it independently or you are doing it through our agency, you will still have to book that consultation call. You will still have to make payment for that consultation call. So finally,